Last time on Dad Bods and Hot Rods Garage, we pressure washed and scrubbed the 1961 Mercury Meteor. Today, we're using Vice Grip Garage's Wipe On Clear Coat application. All right, let's check out these instructions. Nice seal. So basically, it tells you the temperature range and the time limits. Your mixture is 8:1, clear coat to activator. It lasts about 2 hours in this form, so you can apply it to the vehicle. It dries to the touch in about 30-40 minutes, depending on temperature. On this day, it was about 55 degrees. And it fully cures in 24 hours. So now that we have the car completely mashed off, wiped down with wax and grease remover, we can now push it inside. It does state in the instructions to not apply in direct sunlight. So we pushed the car back into the garage and applied it in the shade. It does wipe on very well. The sponges hold the product instead of having to continually dip in the cup. I like that aspect of it. It didn't take quite as much to cover the entire car as we anticipated, but we did use all that we had. The streaks that you see in there, most of those and the bubbles dried to a very smooth, clear finish for most of the car.
you sleep. I mark my goals, stand tall, think clear. Don't let them see a hint of fear. Lines and dots, zoom in, zoom out. Open your window, let them hear you shout. Right on the poles, right on the street. Always remember the future is near. Cut some cords, scratch some scars. Put on your cape and jump from the car. Open your mouth, take a deep breath. Run fast and don't stop at the edge. You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know. You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know. When I was a kid, my dad used to say, don't let anything stand in your way. Stand tall, think clear. I promise I'll always be here. Cut some cords, scratch some scars. Put your cape and jump from the car. Open your mouth, take a deep breath. Run fast and don't stop at the edge. You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know. You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know. When I was a kid, my dad used to say, don't let anything stand in your way. Stand tall, think clear. Don't let them see a hint of fear.
Overall, I'm excited with this product. It exceeded my expectations, and I cannot thank Vice Grip Garage enough for putting out this product for all of us to use. The car looks fantastic. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and join us again on Dad Bods and Hot Rods Garage.